Hello? 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 Good morning, my children. Can I see your smiling face? I want to see everybody smiling. Yes. So say, good morning. Do you all remember me? Yes, I am Nancy ma'am. And today we are going to learn English. Kids, in English, we are going to revise the topic myself, which you have already learned in your previous session. Myself means introduction of yourself. So let's revise it once again. Myself.
Hey, I am Rita.
Hello, I am John.
And we are going to introduce ourselves. I will introduce myself first. My name is Rita. I am a girl. I am 4 years old. I go to 9 kids school. I study in senior KG. My telephone number is 12345678999.
Now I shall introduce myself. My name is John. I am a boy. I am 5 years old. I go to 9 kids school. I study in senior KG. My telephone number is 987 654 3211. So kids, did you all hear the way Rita and John introduced themselves? Yes. Now kids, let's write myself in our classwork book. Kids, please open page number 143. I repeat, 143 given in your English classwork book. So let's start with the first sentence. M Y, my, one finger space, N A M E, name, again one finger space, I S, is, and a dash. You have to complete the sentence with a full stop. So you have to write your name. And remember, the name starts with capital alphabet. My name is. Now the next sentence. I A am a, again a dash and full stop to complete the sentence. So the sentence would be I am a girl. Girl, girl. And I am a boy. If you're a boy, you have to write boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Next sentence. I A M am dash Y E A R S, years. O L D, old, and a full stop. We'll read sentences. I am 4 if you're 4 years old. F-O-U-R, 4 years old. And if you're 5, I am F-I-V-E, 5, 5 years old. Next sentence, number 4. We will write I G O, go. T O, to. 9, one finger space, K capital. I D S. Kids is S capital. C H O O L and a full stop. The sentence would be I go to 9 kids school. Now the next sentence, sentence number 5. I study 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 in again S capital, small r and a dot, K capital and G capital again and a full stop. So we'll read as I study in senior KG. Next sentence, M Y, my telephone. T E L E P H O N E, telephone number. N U M B E R I S is and a dash and a full stop. It's my telephone number is. So here we will write telephone number of mama or dada. Now kids, open page number 144 in your class workbook. It says read the words and color the picture. So kids, you all have to color the picture according to the words given. So let's read the words. First is brick. B-R-I-C-K. Brick. Brick matlab eat. So let's find out where is the brick in the image. It's right here. So you have to color it accordingly. Next word is lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. Lock matlab tala. Where is the image of the lock? It's right here. Next word is grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Grass matlab ghas. Where is the image of the grass? It's right here. Can you see this black portion? Yes. So you have to color it green. Next word is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Now duck you can spot in the picture. Yes, it is right here. And the last word is rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. Rock matlab chattan. Can you locate it on the image? Yes, it is right here. So kids, you all have to read the words and color the image accordingly on page number 144 given in your class workbook. Children, for homework, you all have to complete page number 135. I repeat, page number 135 given in your English homework book. So kids, now you all very well know how to introduce yourself when somebody asks you about yourself, right? So do complete your homework and also the classwork and keep revising myself. I shall see you in the next session with the same topic. Take care. Bye-bye.